Hello humans and future AI overlords. I'm using Microsoft Edge and I'm at Bing.com. Microsoft is continuing their AI journey and everything seems to be becoming a Copilot. Now that's very exciting because Copilot is kind of a neat name, and actually I use it in my YouTube channel because I thought it was so cool. My logo is a rocket ship and I just kind of thought AI as my Copilot for my rocket ship was kind of cool. But anyway, Microsoft continues to update things to Copilot. So this used to say chat. It was kind of referred to as Bing Chat. You can see the logo here is also the logo for Copilot. You can also see you can ask Copilot, and they've got examples here of things you can ask it. But I'm going to click on the Copilot item here, and you can see we're still in Bing, there's still search, but we're in chat. And of course I got my profile and some information here, recent activity, plugins, search is the one that's enabled by default. You've got some options here for different ways to use Copilot. So how would you explain AI to a sixth grader? Or generate ideas for wacky new products that might be popular in 2025. Write Python code to calculate all the different flavor combinations from an ice cream parlor. So they've got some great, additional examples of ways you can use Copilot. Now, of course, conversation style is still here. You have to kind of scroll down a little bit to see it. It's showing, it's showing more creative, starting original, imaginative chat, or more balanced is recommended for everyday informed chats, and precise is start a concise chat, useful for fact finding. So I tend to lean to the creative side. I'm not very creative personally, so I really like an AI that is creative and I can interact with it, kind of with that tone. You've got your new topic, you've got your ask me anything area for your prompt. You can add an image, you can use your microphone, and you've got 4,000 characters max for this prompt. So pretty much functioning, very similarly to what we've seen in the past. But I heard about this thing called Microsoft Copilot Pro, so I'm going to find out more about it. So what is Microsoft Copilot Pro? This is great. Let's hear Cortana read it aloud.
Microsoft Copilot Pro is a premium subscription offering that supercharges your productivity with priority access to GPT-4 and GPT-4 Turbo, faster AI image creation, and access to Copilot in your favorite Microsoft 365 apps. With Copilot Pro, you can generate drafts, summaries, and rewrites for your documents, emails, and presentations. Create AI images with DALL-E 3 in landscape format with 100 boosts per day. Use Copilot on the web and in Windows, macOS, and iPadOS. Use text, voice, and images in conversational search. Use plugins and GPTs. If you want to learn more about Copilot Pro, you can watch some of the videos or visit the support page.
Well, this is pretty cool, and I do really enjoy that we have these references here. So I'm going to click the Learn More. And so this is taking us to the Copilot Pro page. So supercharge your creativity and productivity with a premium Copilot experience. Gain priority access to GPT-4 and GPT-4 Turbo during peak times for accelerated performance to generate answers, content, and AI images even faster. So wow, it's $20 per user per month. Okay, so OpenAI has their service to access GPT-4, which is also $20 per user per month. So Copilot Pro is for individuals, creators, and power users looking to take their Copilot experience to the next level. So it references getting Copilot Pro. You can use the free version of Copilot, which basically, that's just going to take us back to the Copilot link we were just at. And then there's also Get Copilot for Your Business. And this is the Copilot for Microsoft 365. So it's here. It says, get things done faster with premium AI features. Copilot Pro gives you priority access to GPT-4, GPT-4 Turbo during peak times. So it sounds like during peak times, your average free user doesn't get access to GPT-4 and GPT-4 Turbo, so that's interesting. Did not know that. Unlock Copilot in Microsoft 365 apps. Use Copilot apps, including Word, Excel, Outlook, PowerPoint, and OneNote to create, edit, and communicate faster, which is cool. I think those integrated Copilots are great. And I've really only seen those in terms of the business version of Microsoft 365. And then it says create, edit, resize AI images with DALL-E even faster with 100 boosts per day using Designer, formerly Bing Image Creator. So those boosts just speed up the generation of the images. It doesn't actually do anything as far as the number of images you can create. But anyway, but time is valuable, so that could maybe benefit some people. So choose the Copilot that suits you best. So Copilot. For everyone who wants to find the right information, create unique content, and get things done faster with your free Microsoft account, you can use Copilot on the web in Windows, macOS, and iPadOS. Access GPT-4 and GPT-4 Turbo during non-peak times, so that's good to know. Use text, voice, and images in conversational search. Create and edit AI images with 15 boosts per day with Designer, formerly Bing an Image Creator, and use plugins and GPTs. So, that's what I've been doing and using, daily. Now, I have to be honest with you, I have never used any of my boosts when I'm in Designer, and I do use Bing Image Creator. It's formerly known but the Designer tool pretty often because I do like the interface using it inside chat. Now, I could use DALL-E Image Creator inside of ChatGPT, which I also do, but it's one of those things where I've been just kind of exploring the different tools. And before ChatGPT could draw images, I was using Bing Image Creator, now Designer, inside of basically the Bing Chat, now Microsoft Copilot. And I apologize, I keep saying formerly known as, also known as, and whatever, but Microsoft is just making me a little crazy with all these name changes. So that's the base, the free Copilot that you get with your free account. So Copilot Pro. So for those looking for accelerated performance and creative capabilities, Copilot supercharges your Copilot experience. The monthly subscription includes everything in Copilot, plus gain priority access to GPT-4 and GPT-4 Turbo, including during peak times for accelerated performance to get things done faster. Access Copilot in select Microsoft 365 apps to draft documents, summarize emails, create presentations, and more. And then create, edit, and resize AI images even faster with 100 boosts today in Designer. So is that value proposition significant? I mean, because in the free Copilot, we get GPT-4 for it. And if it's going down to 3.5 during peak times, I was not aware of that. So that's interesting. So $20 is a lot. You got to offer something significant to really get there, and I'm not sure if that's it. But so Copilot Pro unlocks Copilot in select Microsoft 365 apps. So Copilot Pro adds cutting-edge AI to your favorite Microsoft 365 apps to help you unlock your creativity, communicate with confidence, and up-level your digital skills. So you have to have a Microsoft 365 personal or family subscription. And then on top of that, buy a Copilot, which is only for one person. So you're already paying your subscription fee for Microsoft 365, and then you're buying Copilot Pro on top of that. Now, I'm going to do it because I'm really curious what this gets you. So there's get Copilot for Microsoft 365 for your business. So your business may be using Microsoft 365 and the Copilot tools, and that's awesome. I believe that's like $30 per user per month, but I know that companies negotiate with Microsoft deals on their subscriptions and services and stuff like that. But let's take a look at these top questions. So what is Copilot Pro? It's a subscription that offers accelerated performance for faster AI image creation, access to Copilot in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and OneNote, if you are also a Microsoft 365 personal or family subscriber. So you've got to buy a Microsoft 365. It's almost like, man, they should just integrate that, instead of adding this additional premium on top of it. But anyway, what is priority access? So there's a dedicated capacity exclusively for the use of Copilot Pro subscribers. Additionally, during peak usage times, Copilot Pro subscribers will continue to have access to GPT-4 and GPT-4 Turbo, whereas users with free Copilot users may be limited to GPT 3.5 as needed. See, I had no idea that they were doing that because they talk about GPT-4 being available in the Microsoft experience. So I don't know if they're just kind of I mean. It's it was probably there. I just wasn't aware of it. They were hyping GPT-4 access in the tool. So what are boosts in Copilot? So designer, formerly being image creator in Copilot, gives you the ability to generate AI images. Boosts refer to the number of turns you have to create images faster. So Copilot gives you 15 daily boosts for image creation, and in Copilot Pro you get 100 daily boosts. So boosts do not refer to the number of images you can generate. So the number of turns you have to create images faster. So it just really speeds things up, which is great. So where is Copilot Pro available? So it's available in a lot of countries, which is great. It's coming soon to more markets. Some designer features are available in limited English. So it looks like there are some limitations with regards to language support. What languages does Copilot support? So Copilot supports English, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Portuguese, and Spanish. We plan to add more languages soon, which is great. Where can I access Copilot Pro? So you can access Copilot Pro via Copilot on the web, iOS and Android, and then select Microsoft 365 apps on Windows, macOS, and iPadOS. You can also use Copilot Pro benefits in apps like Copilot, Bing, Edge, and Start, provided you're logged in. Okay, so when you're logged in to these locations, Copilot Pro benefits will be available. And I'm guessing those are just the access to GPT-4, GPT-4 Turbo during those peak usage times. So where can I buy Copilot Pro? So you can buy Copilot Pro from our website and via Copilot, Bing, Edge, and Start apps on Apple App Store, Google Play Store, and via Word, Excel, PowerPoint apps, iPad, and Mac only. So we plan to add more ways to buy soon. Yes, any way to take money out of our pockets, that's interesting. So, but yeah, $20 a month. So how does Copilot Pro work with Microsoft 365 personal or family subscription? So you can use your Copilot Pro subscription to unlock Copilot in select Microsoft 365 apps. If you have a Microsoft 365 personal or family subscription, these apps include Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, and Outlook. You can access Copilot in these Microsoft 365 apps on Windows, macOS, and iPadOS. So, the Excel is in preview and in English only. OneNote is in Windows only, which that's crazy. So definitely some caveats there. Note, Copilot and Outlook only supports work or school accounts and Microsoft accounts using Outlook.com, Hotmail.com, Live.com, and MSN.com email addresses at this time. Any Microsoft account using an account from a third-party email provider such as Google, Gmail, Yahoo, iCloud can still use Outlook but won't have access to the Copilot feature. So that is good to know. So knowing what domain your Outlook account is using may limit your access. So what if I don't have a Microsoft 365 personal or family subscription? Well, I'm sure they'll sell it to you. Microsoft 365 personal or family subscription is required to unlock Copilot and select Microsoft 365 apps. You can buy Microsoft 365 personal or family from our website. Be sure to subscribe to the Microsoft 365 personal or family using the same Microsoft account as your Copilot Pro subscription. So very important. When you get a Microsoft 365 personal or family account, when you add a Copilot Pro to it, that Copilot is not enabled for everyone in the family. It's only enabled per person, which is crazy. So, it just says right here. Yep, just to clarify, how many people can use a Copilot Pro subscription? Copilot is for one person. If you have a Microsoft 365 family subscription and have shared your subscription with other people, each will need to buy their own Copilot Pro subscription to use Copilot in the Microsoft 365 apps. Wow, man, come out with a family subscription. That's crazy. Does Copilot Pro work with Microsoft 365 business subscription? So Copilot Pro will not unlock access to Copilot in Microsoft 365 apps if you have a Microsoft 365 business subscription. and i.e. Microsoft 365 Business Basic, Microsoft 365 Business Standard, Microsoft 365 Business Premium, Microsoft 365 App for Business. To use Copilot with a Microsoft 365 Business subscription, you have to buy Copilot for Microsoft 365, which you will do through your company. And likely they will pay for it and you will not have to do anything. So if I'm not paying for a subscription, what do I get for free? So Copilot helps you find the right information, create unique content, get things done faster. So you can still use the free version of Copilot at copilot.microsoft.com. So how do I manage my Copilot subscription? So you can manage your Copilot Pro subscription within the Microsoft account portal. What do I do if I have both a Copilot Pro subscription and a personal or family Microsoft 365 subscription, but I'm not seeing the Copilot icon in the apps? So it looks like after you purchase Copilot Pro, you'll need to refresh your apps in order for the Copilot icon in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, and Outlook. So it looks like there's a website to look more there. So if that happens, hit this page and hit that link. So what is a Microsoft account and why do I need it for Copilot Pro? So your Microsoft account connects all your Microsoft 360, all your Microsoft apps and services, including Copilot. So if you already use Microsoft services like OneDrive and Outlook.com and Xbox Live or Microsoft 365, you already have a Microsoft account. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account to purchase Copilot Pro. You must be signed in with this account to use or manage your Copilot Pro subscription. So where can I learn more? So visit our Copilot help and learning site. Let's check that out. So that was a lot of information, but in a nutshell, it's $20 per month subscription. You need to already have a Microsoft 365 personal or family subscription. The Copilot Pro is for one person at a time. So if you got multiple users, it has to be tied to the individual license. So here on this site, this is a Copilot site. Microsoft Copilot, your everyday AI companion. Copilot helps you achieve things like never before using the power of AI, explore what's possible. And it really is, I have to say, Microsoft is amazing at its transformation with AI. Embedding it into so many applications and operating systems and tools and services, it's really impressive. So, but they're monetizing the heck out of it. So, all these different apps that can leverage it. So you lead the way, unleash your creativity and get things done with Copilot by your side. Since AI generated content may be incorrect, here's a few things to remember. Check your facts, review, modify, iterate. Copilot is not autopilot. You know what? I totally love that. That's awesome. It is not autopilot, So yes, so there's some examples of, how it can help you, in Word with your writing, how it can catch you up in Outlook, if you've got a bunch of email, make you more productive in meetings. Now, this is Teams, which is not available for the Copilot Pro. Draft a presentation in seconds. That would be awesome. But I am very excited about the possibilities of Microsoft Copilot. Thank you for just listening to me read web pages and talk to Cortana and Copilot about this Microsoft Copilot Pro. It's kind of exciting because if your business isn't purchasing Copilot, you may not be able to, even really do much aside from the free services, which still are great. But I'm going to subscribe and I'm going to play with it. And of course, I'm going to come back and make a video and let you know, hey, is this worth $20 a month? I'm already paying $20 a month for OpenAI's ChatGPT Pro service. I will pay $20 a month for this Microsoft Copilot Pro, and I'll come back in a few weeks and let you know how good it is. Hopefully it's mind-blowing. And of course, this service is in development, constantly evolving, so every day these tools evolve and change. And we've been moving at faster and faster speeds, with new technology. My whole life, things get faster and more innovative and more creative and more powerful. We've been moving with, new paradigms of Personal computers, getting my first PC, really changed the way I worked. Getting the internet really made me connected in ways and doing things. Getting a mobile smartphone that could do things, on the web and internet and mobile apps, And now we're getting AI, which is going to speed up things even further. So buckle up, everybody. If you thought things were fast before, we're now going to be moving at AI speeds, which is crazy. So for me, I love this stuff. It's amazing. I hope you do too. I know for many people, the light bulb hasn't kind of turned on for everybody. When I first started my journey playing with DALL-E by OpenAI, the text-to-image tool, I played with it, but I was like, I'm not a creative person. This is cool, but like I'm not like a creator guy. So this is not. It didn't really turn the light bulb on for me. It wasn't until ChatGPT came on that the light bulb went like supernova bright into my brain, and it was like, whoa. But I have to say that as I've been using these AI tools, text to image has gotten amazing, and exploring all these incredible, tools from Midjourney, to Leonardo AI, to Microsoft Designer, to playing with DALL-E more directly, to Bard and Imagen 2 or Imagine 2. It's incredible. Anyway, I'm sorry, I could geek about this forever, but thank you for watching this video. I will get back to you with more Microsoft Copilot, and I'll show you what it can do. See you in the next video.